Popularly known as mutton ran here in Pune, this whole roasted lamb leg is a sight to cherish for non-veg food lovers. Atraj, located in southwest Pune, has a rich history. It's famous for its Peshwa-era lake from the 18th century that supplied water to the city during that period. We've traveled all the way from Baner, which is literally on the opposite end of Pune, that's almost 21 kilometers, to this elegant restaurant that's gorgeous and classy, and yet so minimalistic at the same time. Just a few meters from the Pune Bangalore highway is Ahilya Devi Thali restaurant. As you keep walking towards the main restaurant area, the aromas coming out of the open kitchen will cast its spell on you. The ambience is soothing and picture perfect. All these beautiful shades of brown and green is a treat for your eyes, especially if you have a special connection with nature.
Wow, without a doubt, this place indeed is one of the best we have visited in Pune. What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. My name is Gavin,
And I'm Adrian.
and we travel around Pune for good food. It is indeed an 11 out of 10 for the ambience. Well guys, if you have a look, I have special access to the kitchen here at Ahilya Devi, and I'm going to go inside. I'm already inside. I'm going to go in there everywhere, at every nook and corner of this kitchen, and find out what's happening here. So if you have a look guys, this is the rush hour, and look at how many gas stoves are there over here. So there is so much happening inside here. Everyone is busy. It's because of the rush hour. And if you come here and see, there are these ladies here who are making the chapatis. So if you have a look here, just look at the number of thalis that are going to get placed here. So they place the thalis here, they keep it on this platform. It's picked right here from one of the servers, and it's taking there in the distance. So if you have a look, it's such a huge restaurant. There are tables here on this side, and then there are tables this side and that side as well. So I have actually ended up coming on the other side of the restaurant just to show you guys what is happening here. So if you have a look guys, look at the number of chapatis and bhakris that are going to be cooked here. इकडे फक्त चपाती आणि भाकरी बनवतात ना? कोणते भाकऱ्या बनवतात? ज्वारी आणि बाजरा सर्व. हां. So guys, you have an option to have with your thali. You can have jawari bhakri, bajra bhakri. Wow, the fragrance here of the wood reminds me of all the beautiful days we've had in the villages in Goa. Now this here is the gravy section, and this gentleman here, he's placing the thali. So if you have a look here, just check this out guys. This is where he is placing the thali, and there are so many different varieties of curries in here. So if you have a look guys, I'm hungry. I haven't placed my order yet, and my mouth is watering looking at all this beautiful looking chicken. ये कौन सा chicken है? Chicken curry. This chicken masala. Okay. So it feels so funny wearing this and walking around the kitchen. There's so much happening inside. I don't want to go there and disturb them, but I found a good spot here. So what I'm doing is I'm walking around this platform here. So guys, I've shown you where they make the chapatis and where the thali is placed. And yes, that side there is something that is getting fried on the big wok. Wow guys, so just have a look at the thalis that are placed here. So this looks like the chicken thali, and we have this gentleman here who's going to pick up the thali and take it to the customers. ये कौन सा थाली है वो? Chicken thali. Mutton and chicken thali. Well guys, I'm pretty much done with taking you around this restaurant, but I'll still give you a 360-degree view of this place, because this is a massive place and it's time to take this off. It looks so funny. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my table. Well, let me take you around. So I have Adrian here, who's been patiently waiting for the food. So we've taken this table right here guys, because of the light. We want to show you each and every detail of the food that you get here. We are hungry. What time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock, and we are going to place our orders. Let's see what is there in the menu. So Adrian, please do the honors for us. What have we ordered today?
We are going for the mutton run today.
Yes.
And the keema vadi,
Yes.
grilled lamb chops,
Yes.
soul curry.
That's nice. So we have 5 items.
Yeah.
And do we have a dessert?
Yes. The last is kharvas.
Kharvas. Okay. And Adrian had to write it down. If you see here, because we ordered for so much. And guys, if you have a doubt why we ordered for so much, obviously it's for you guys. And I know it's a lot, but then you know we wanted to show you guys what is famous out here, and they have some dishes in their menu, so they have been lately introduced. So guys, I'm so excited, and so is Adrian. We've been spending a lot of time taking shots of this beautiful place. I'm in love with the ambience here, guys, especially if you're someone who's I would say nature centric like me. You will definitely find your soul connected to a beautiful place like this. Out of the kitchen and straight on our table right now. So guys, check this out, how beautiful this looks right here. Well Adrian, it's one for you and one for me, okay? And okay, please pick up the piece. Oh, today Adrian is being very kind. She's picked up the smaller piece. But that's okay. I have the big piece for me right here. So guys, papaya chutney, wow. And I'll dip some green chutney as well. Wow guys, so this is fresh and it's hot, so let's take a bite of this. So this is obviously a new entry in the menu, guys, and let's taste this right away. It's so hot. Nice. It's crispy on the outside, soft inside, and I spoke to the chef. They have mixed some onions, tomatoes, and obviously they have their secret masala, and they have deep fried it. So this is the keema vadi. Very nice taste, very soft, and I especially love the texture of this thing, guys. It is so good. Let's have a look at Adrian. Adrian is enjoying this as well. Look at how beautiful the lamb chops are looking, and Adrian obviously looks very beautiful with her pink dress as well. So Adrian, it's your time now to review, so please let's do this. Wow guys, she just took a small bite of it and it was so soft and tender. So while she's eating, let me explain this. And here we have our soul curry as well. That looks fantastic. Okay, back to the lamb chops. So Adrian, please describe the taste for us.
Meat is really soft and tender,
Yes.
and it's not chewy at all.
Can you break that a bit with your fingers and show that to our viewers?
Wow, it's hot.
It's hot, yeah. Okay. Just a bit. Yes. So as you can see there, lovely piece of meat there from the ribs.
Wait a second, I'll try it with the chutney.
With the chutney, yes. We have chutney here as well. So we have the mint chutney what we had earlier. It's a bit spicy. Oh, as you can see, the piece fell right in the chutney. That's how tender it is. And I can see lovely fat and meat. A good combination. Adrian, be careful, it's going to fall off. Okay, go for it. So literally meat falling off the bone. And Adrian, what masala taste are you getting here?
I'm getting more of a grilled type of masala. It's more Indian and authentic, but it's more grilled. And the meat and the fats, the juices have combined together and makes the meat really soft and delicious.
That is fantastic. Adrian was right indeed. The meat is so damn soft, guys. And as you go through each and every bite, you can taste the optimum percentage of fat and meat, and this really tastes very good, just like the keema vadi. It is a bit crispy on the outside because it's charred very well on the grill. That's why it's giving this lovely texture on the outside which makes it crispy. And we have salad here as well. So that is a regular salad. So Adrian, what does the salad taste like?
Spicy.
It's very spicy. Okay, so this is a spicy salad. So guys, I have a lot of meat on the ribs right here. So I'm going to finish this off and then we are going to review this beautiful looking sol curry for you. Guys, when you squeeze lime and have this tastes so damn good. And even though I've had all the meat, I want to still chew the meat of the bone. That's how delicious the lamb chop is right here. And now it is finger licking good, guys, excuse me. Now we are going to go for the sol curry. And look at the sol curry here, guys. The texture looks so good. It's got this lovely pink color. Let's try this. Yummy. So this sol curry is a bit different. I can get more sweeter flavors and get flavors of the jeera inside, and it's obviously dressed with a bit of coriander. So I got a flavor of coriander as well. And just look at the size of the sol curry, guys. It is so big. So if you are a sol curry fan like us, you are going to enjoy the sol curry. And yes, Adrian, you're matching with the sol curry. Wow, guys, such an awesome experience. 3 down, 2 more to go. Cheers. And here we have the star of today's show and the star in the kitchen. And he's bought this lovely looking raan. That is a huge piece of meat, guys. Just look at the size. Thank you so much, Mr. Kishore. आपने बनाया हमारे लिए. And guys, this is massive. That's what you'll end up doing when you're here looking at this. Just look at this, guys. So this is a 1.5 kg mutton raan. It is a lamb. It's a leg piece. And we have here white rice. We have the gravy here and pineapples. So me and Adrian are not going to be able to finish this for sure, guys. We love to eat, but not so much. We are definitely going to end up taking this home. And guys, we have invested a lot in our channels from the last 1.5 years. And if you're following us and if you've been enjoying our content, please do support us by subscribing to our channel. And you can also support us by becoming a member on our channel, where you get daily, not daily, every time when we upload a video, you'll be the first one to watch the video. So make sure you become a member, and if you want to give us a super thanks for our videos, that option will be there as well at the bottom of this screen. So guys, now it's time to get our hands on this huge baby right here. Well guys, we have a man here who's going to chop all this meat for us. So look at this, guys. They have some cool gadgets, that is to hold the bone. And just look at this, guys, how it's getting chopped. So look at the meat, guys. So he's literally just using his fingers right here, and the meat is getting shredded. That is how soft the meat is. And this is the bone. So obviously we are taking all of this home. I'm assuming there will be marrow in this. And look at the amount of meat that is there inside, guys. And along with the meat, I have a bit of salad and the pineapple. Guys, if you have a doubt, pineapple doesn't go well with pizza. I don't have a doubt that pineapple will not go well with the meat. I am sure it's going to go well. And guys, it is now Adrian's turn, but wait, we have a bit of gravy that is going to be poured here. And look at the spoon, guys. It is so cool. It's a wooden spoon. It looks fantastic. It matches with the ambience here at Ahilya Devi. And look at the color of this gravy, guys. It is black. It is kala gravy. And here we have rice. And yes, so I'm going to take as much as rice as I want. Thank you so much. He's the one who gave us good service, and he's placed our plates right here. So Adrian, I'm so sorry, but I'll help you. So guys, it's our time to dig in. Well, Adrian here is practicing her knife and fork skills. Okay, so she's done a good job, and she's got a lot in her plate right now. Okay, now Adrian, you have to go for the salad and the pineapple. Well, until the time Adrian is serving herself, let me grab a seat here and let me try the meat. So I want to eat this with my hand, not with a fork and spoon, because I actually want to show you the texture of the meat as well. So guys, let me pick this up. Wow, it is hot guys, but the meat is so damn soft. Amazing. Amazing is not the word, guys. Adrian, you're going to love this. The meat is cooked really well. It has fantastic masalas. A bit spicy, but you know, the flavors of the meat are very prominent. The masala is not at all overpowering the meat. And Adrian is going to try as well.
Try guys.
Okay. So Adrian has poured the rasa on the rice.
First let me taste the rasa with the rice.
Adrian, you'll have to talk a bit loudly because I have the mic. Okay.
I'm going to try the rasa with the rice.
Go on, go on. So Adrian has checkmarked the rasa as well. And guys, I'm not yet done with the meat. I need some more of this. And look at this, guys. It has fat and it has meat. Did you try the meat? Yes. Yes. Adrian is saying that the meat is soft and yummy. Wow, guys. Amazing. Let me try the pineapple as well. They have chosen the right pineapple. The pineapples are very sweet, and the charred texture on top, the grilled texture, leaves it flavors from the grill as well. So guys, first time I'm having grilled pineapple. It is actually tasting very good. Well, I have the gentleman here is serving me the rice. So I'm going to take some rice and try it with the gravy. Bas. Thank you. Okay. Let's mix this, guys. I am so sorry I have to do this with my left hand because Adrian, my cameraman, has already started eating. I am the cameraman and the person who is reviewing the food. Okay, let's taste this. Gravy is a bit spicy. All the lovely kada masala, the coconut, the garlic, the ginger, onions, all the lovely garam masala, I can all taste it. And guys, the best part here is the texture of this rice. So this looks like basmati rice. Guys, this is a feast what we are having right here. And if you are planning to visit Ahilya Devi in a big group, or even if you are two people like us, I highly recommend you have the ran. So again, this is 1.5 kg, totally worth it. And cheers once again, guys. Well guys, 4 down and last one to go is the kharwas. So kharwas is basically a dessert. It's very famous here in Maharashtra. So it's coming on our way. And here we have our kharwas right here, guys. So this is actually made from the milk that is produced by the cow or the buffalo after giving birth. This is from the first round of milk, and it is even popular in some other states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, even some places in the north. And guys, if you see inside, it has elaichi, which is cardamom. Yes, cardamom. and it has kesar, which is saffron. So a bit of kesar is used for the dressing, and obviously there will be a bit of sugar added for the sweetness. So let's try this. Very yummy, guys. Such good milky flavors. Not very sweet. It is a sweet ending to a beautiful day that we've had here at Ahilya Devi, and we are not yet done eating. We have so much left on our table. But guys, I just wanted to quickly give you a review of all the food that we had here. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you are anywhere in Katraj, around this area, around Ahilya Devi, in case if you're passing by the highway, make sure you take a turn here and get inside Ahilya Devi. You will love the ambience and the food here. And until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.